We picked the first of this year's apple crop last weekend. These are Royal Gala apples hanging over the bromeliad shade house roof. The apples are covered in 3-foot long fiberglass mesh bags to keep the birds at bay and to stop them eating the fruit. We have rainbow lorikeets, crimson rosellas, sulphur crested cockatoos and galahs that come in over the summer months and rest in our trees. Here you can see a couple of apples covered with stockingette bags. The birds used to eat a lot of our fruit crop every year until we started covering the fruit with mesh bags, produce bags and stockingette bags. Here are some close-up shots of the fruit in stockingette bags. That one there looks like a bird has had a peck at it. The apples are growing and filling out very nicely this year, as you can see there from that photo. There are some more bagged fruits on the branch. That white bag there is a produce bag used at the greengrocers if we have to buy veggies that are out of season. It saves using a single-use plastic bag. They are very effective at stopping the birds eating our fruit. Here we see more apples covered in stockingette bags. We import these bags from the US. Also some produce bagged apples. The fruit are growing well and we will be picking more of them this weekend, I am quite sure. The branches of the trees are seriously laden with fruit. More produce bagged apples there, you just saw. We'll be spending some time in the kitchen slicing apples up, coring them, taking the skin off them and cooking them up to make apple sauce. We also add cloves to the mix to give it a little bit extra kick. Using these bags solved the problem with the birds eating the fruit, that is until the rainbow lorikeets pecked at a couple of the stockingette bags covering the apricots and discovered there was fruit inside them. Luckily it was the end of the season and we only lost about 100 apricots. The other 350 had already been picked and processed. Here we see some more apples covered in stockingette bags and also some more produce bagged apples. We import the stockingette bags from the US. Also some more produce bagged apples. The fruit are growing well and we will be picking more of them this weekend. The branches of the trees are well laden with fruit, so we'll have a good crop this year. Here is a close-up of apples in a produce bag. We will have plenty of apples this year. This is the fruit on the Royal Gala tree. The pink lady tree next door, the apples on that tree at this time of the year are smaller. Here is a close-up of apples in one of the fiberglass bags. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. These apples will mature 5 to 6 weeks after the Royal Gala crop has finished. The Granny Smith apples will mature a month or so after the pink ladies. 5 of the above 28 Royal Gala apples we picked were saved to be eaten and the rest were cooked. The sauce filled 3 takeaway containers.